Artwork. Desktop 1. Search files by name left. Terminal 1, main.
Hi, this is Code Beyond Site YouTube channel. We will learn about dictionary concept in Python programming. The dictionary concept is very important concept in software field because you must learn this concept. So, what is dictionary? Dictionary is a collection of data using key pair value. The key is a main name, value is a that key is value. For example, many forms you saw the many forms, bank forms, bank account forms. So the forms has the name, age, student, courses or city, the name. So the corresponding name, you write the name corresponding of the name field. For example, in website, so the website show the name, age, course, like this. So the name field, you write the your name. The age field, you write the your age. The course name, you course field, you select the course. So that value store the this structure. That means name a key value structure. Name colon your name, age colon your age, course colon your course name. So I create this for a, you I'm create the
Space.
okay.
C-R-E-A. Cree. C-R-E-A-T-E. D-I-C-T.
Means the short form of the dictionary.
Dict.
Okay. Student,
S-T-U-D-E-N-T.
student,
Student. Left brace.
left brace. If you want to create the dict,
Left
use
brace.
the left curly brace,
Right blank.
right
Right brace. Blank. Right brace.
right curly brace. Between you
Four
enter the
space.
key value card.
Quote.
For example, name is the
N-A-N-E.
key,
Line.
colon,
Colon. Quote.
name, my name is
A-G-A-T-A-I-Y-A-N. Line
you
feed.
give the
Comma.
comma, because you must create, you give the comma, go to the you, you can go to create the next key value. If you not use the comma, show error. Okay.
Quote. A-G-E.
Age,
Line feed. Colon.
colon,
Quote. 2, 3.
2,
Line
3,
feed. Comma.
comma,
Quote. C-O-U.
course,
R-S-E. Course. Line
course,
feed. Colon.
comma,
Quote. P-Y-T-H-O-N.
python.
Hyphen.
Okay.
No indent right.
print
P-R-I-N-T.
print
Print
of
left E-Y-E-E.
type
Type
of
left parent.
st.
S-T-U.
I check the type,
D-E-N-T. Student.
student. Okay. Student.
Print left parent. Type.
Again,
P-R-I-N-T. Print D. D-S-T-U-D-E-N-T. Student.
student. Okay.
Term C-E-A-R clear. Use P-Y-T-H-O-N. Space D-I-C. Dick. Python.backslash accessible v left brace tick name tick colon tick agathian tick comma tick age tick colon tick 23 tick comma tick course tick colon tick Python tick right brace
Okay.
less class tick dick tick greater
The class type is dict. Okay.
main landmark
So we create the
blank
dict. So if you want to access the name, age or course, like list, in list and tuple concept, we directly mention the index value. But here you mention the key value, key name. That means if you
P-R-I-N-E print left parent blank print left parent P print left blank print left parent right parent blank right parent quote
student
S-T-U-D-E-N-T left bracket quote N-A-N-E
name,
blank P-R-I-N-T print left parent S-T-U-D-E-N-T student left quote A-G-E blank
age,
main terminal C-E-R clear PSC colon backslash users backslash accessible PS type error colon unhashable type colon 10 space 7 tilde 10 4 space print left pair Main landmark. Print left blank. Number print left R. T left T U D E N T left bracket. Quote AM.
Yeah,
Line
I
feed.
find this issue.
Right parent.
I'm
Right
using
bracket.
double quotes, so double brackets.
Right quote left bracket. Left bracket.
Now I run the code.
Terminal 1 CER clear. Accessible view 23 Agathian.
Agathian
23.
23. The Agathian and 23. My age is print.
Main
So how
landmark.
like this you access using key name in dictionary
Line feed.
like this. Next, uh,
Print left parent.
next
Print
how
left
to
parent. Student
how to update
P.
uh,
Line feed.
the value in, for example, I want to update the age 22 23 to 25. So I
S. T.
student
U. D. E. N. E.
student
Student.
of
Quote. A. G.
age
E.
I mentioned
Line feed.
the key
Equals.
name and
Quote.
I mentioned
2.
the update the
4. 5.
25
Line P. R. I. N. E.
again
Print S. T. U. D. E. N. E. Student.
student. Okay.
Terminal 1 com CL. LC. CLEAR clear. Blank PSC. Accessive left brace tick name tick colon tick Agathian tick comma tick age tick colon tick 25 tick comma
25.
tick course tick
The update the value. The age is updated. That means 23 to 25 is updated. If you want to update the values, you mention variable of you mention uh, key value. That means this and my code. You can see my code. Student of age equal to my update updated, so updating value. So you
main
you,
landmark.
you update like this
Line feed
in
equals
dictionary.
student left line feed and right
And
parent
command
blank
is
selection.
so next is how to uh, how to how to delete the how to delete the dictionary in key. For example, sorry, how to add the key, new key. I want to add the city. I am
S.
student.
S.
I
S.
declare the student. So call student
T. U.
stu
D. E. N. E.
student
Student
of
quote.
course city
C.
name.
I. T. Y.
City name.
Line feed. Blank. Student left line feed equals
The student
quote.
name. Sorry, city name.
C. H. A. N. N. I. Chani. C. H. E. N. A. I. Chennai.
Okay.
Blank. Student left bracket quote city quote right bracket equals quote Chennai quote.
Okay.
Line feed.
And add the
P. R. I. N. E.
city.
Print left P. R. I. N. E. Print. S. T. U. D. E. N. E. Student. Line
Student.
feed.
Now
Terminal CLER clear. PSC left PS left brace tick name tick colon tick Agathian tick comma tick age tick colon tick 23 tick comma tick course tick colon tick Python tick comma tick city tick colon tick Chennai tick right brace.
the city key is new key is
Main
added.
landmark.
Okay. So if
Print
you
left
want to
student
delete the any one key,
not blank. D
mention
E L del
del
space S T
student
U D E N T
student.
student quote
I want to
C O U
delete the
R S E course line feed P R I N T print left S T U D E N T
student.
student terminal 1 CLER clear blank clear accessible left brace tick name tick colon tick Agathian tick comma tick age tick colon tick 23 tick right brace.
You can hear this code. The course is removed. The course value is removed. So this is a dictionary.
Main landmark
I
dict
would
dot
you like
command
show
source search
I
dict dot
would you
py
like
dash
show how to in
application
real world
main P
scenario
del student
it is
left D
how to
number print left
helpful
parent
in software.
line feed
You can see the web pages, login pages. So the login pages, user input the details. For example, email and username, and there's passwords. So the data is stored the backend or any database. So again, user input the uh, uh, user input the enter the username and password. The program is get the database after show the data. For example, uh,
U,
users I create
U,
the
U, E, R,
users
S. Users, line
variable.
feed, equals, left
Okay,
brace,
I create the
force,
another
no
one
indent,
thing.
four space, quote, A,
Again,
G, A, T, A, I, Y, A, N, line,
again,
colon, quote,
password is
1,
one
2,
two
3,
three
4,
four
5,
five
6,
six. Okay,
quote,
okay.
123,000, line
Again,
feed,
password.
comma, quote,
Another username is
N, N,
um, another username is uh,
R, A,
Rani.
N, I, line feed,
Okay,
colon, quote,
the password is
1,
one
3, 5, 5, 4, 4,
okay.
line feed, no indent, right,
Okay, I want to if a username is for example
P,
user.
P, P, R, P, R,
I'm a okay.
P, R, I, pri,
I'm a creator
N, A,
variable
E, name, A, E,
name
name equals, I, N, P, U, T,
input.
input, quote, E, 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 N, T,
Enter
R, enter, U, E, R, A, E, E, A, N,
username.
A, E, quote,
Okay,
colon, col space,
enter
line feed,
username.
P,
Again
P,
after
P, R, I, S, E, print left parent, U, E, R, S,
use
users, quote, S,
show
H, O, dub show space, P, A, S, S,
pass
dub O, R, D, password, password,
show
UER, user,
pass
space, quote, right parent, colon, right parent, comma, UER,
user
S, users, left bracket, N, A, N, E,
name.
line feed,
Okay, this time I'm write the code. This code is the user did have the sorry has the many user passwords. So after I'm create the name variable, I'm get the input from user, enter the username. After give the your user is give the username. After show the password. Okay, I print.
C, L, E, R, clear, use P, Y, T, A, O, F, Python 3, space, 3, space, D, I, die, Python dot backslash C, L, E, R, clear, use P, Y, T, A, O, F, I, D, I, die, terminal 1, comma, pipe,
Enter the username.
A, G, A, T, H, I, Y, A, N, Agathian, show user password, colon, 120,
The password you can
Fly terminal 1 comma PowerShell accessible show user password
the
user at
password
call
is
100 120 100
1 2 3 4 5 6. So success. This time I'm create the
main
username.
landmark
Sorry, I user dict after input the I will get the data from user. After fetch the that name from uh, my user dict. So this dictionary work like this. So we can store the data, we can get the data using the name. So this is very important. So you must learn this. If you want to any, if you have any clarification or doubts, just mail or put in your questions in the uh, comment box. I'm definitely reply you. So thank you.
desktop 2 Z start stop